Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today, I want to talk to you guys about Christmas with Doordash and New Year's with Doordash, because I think there is going to be a lot of demand. There's some things that I think you guys should do before going into these holidays. And it's not going to be what the usual thing is with the pizza catering bags and all that. I think we get the point. Yes, you do need pizza bags. Yes, you do need catering bags. I think there's some other things that you should do that you should already be doing. With that said, let's get started. Number one is that, yes, you are going to expect a lot of catering orders, but not all restaurants are going to be doing catering. So make sure you look on the app, not the Dasher app, the DoorDash customer app, to see what's actually open on Christmas. A lot of restaurants that are especially small business are going to be closed. I know that grocery stores tend to be closed, so all those Redcard orders aren't going to be there, so those are already filtered out. With that said, however, that means you're going to need to figure out which restaurants are going to be doing a lot of catering and kind of camp there. Number two, not every market is going to be good for Christmas. If you need to switch markets, that's fine. Just know where you're going first. One thing that I always like to do when I lived in New York is that before I started dashing on Christmas, I made sure to understand my surrounding markets in the event that my market was not good for Christmas. Thankfully, however, my market was pretty solid on Christmas. But it's something that you guys should do, is like you should understand what's in your market and in your surrounding markets. So in case you need to transition, you could do that. Number three, don't chase promos. We've talked about this a lot. Do not chase promos. Now, what I mean by this is that you can go into the promo tab in your Dasher app, and you could probably see which one has the biggest. Don't chase promos. What's going to happen is you're going to go in there, and then every Dasher is going to go into that market because they want that extra $1 per order. In this case, you're going to want more orders, not more dollars per order, because everyone's going to be ordering big anyway. So getting the 10 is not going to be good as getting 9. I sound German. Number four, this is specifically talking to New Year's. You are going to need caffeine, like a lot of caffeine. Expect to be up late. When I went door dashing out here on New Year's Eve, I was so tired that I had to cut out early. Little did I know, I could have made an extra $250 more if I just stayed up later. I was so emotionally frustrated at that point, because usually I cut out at 10 and I'm very happy. I could have made an extra $250 because there was just that much demand. And finally, don't compromise your relationships with your family for Christmas and New Year's dashing. That's really it for today. Super short video. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.